Good evening and hello to all. My name is Daniel May and I am honored to speak on the behalf of the class of 2009. I have wrote a poem in dedication to this class entitled Here I Come. Here I come to save the world, to give a hand out to that little girl, to turn the poverty-struck individuals' pains into pearls. Me, stand here to make history, to make a change, and to let them know that we are all human, so we are all the same. This isn't just a graduation for me. This is a chance for me to fulfill my destiny. Here I come to lead, to move us to the future, onward to victory. Here I come to bring us to the days to when we can get together and to praise, not to anyone, but to us on the struggles that our ancestors went through just for us to have brighter days. Oh, here I come. Like the cage bird who sings, I will yell out liberty for all and make sure that it rings. This isn't just a graduation. This is a celebration of how much we have grown through the years and have gained so many memories, the ones that bring us smiles and the ones that bring us tears. But still, we rise. See, like the wind we pass by, nothing shall stop us from reaching the sky. Because I have seen the top of the mountain, and happiness is in our future, and it's everlasting. Here I come to help my sister and my brother, even though we may not share the same mother. Here I come to tell you that you and I are one, and we all have our own problems. That's what makes us unique, from the things that we say to the food that we eat. See, there's nothing that separates you from me. We may all have different colors, but we all bleed red. I love each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart to the top of my head. I ask for you to forgive and forget and to join me in hands, and together we shall reach that promised land. Here I come, and here we come. This I believe to be possible. Together we can join and be unstoppable.